We're also going to look at some protection tools, which really could be hardware or software tools. These are going to include DDoS Protector, FortiDDoS appliances, Arbor Prevail Availability Protection System, Cisco Guard XT, WANguard, SDL Regex Fuser, NetFlow Analyzer, NetScaler Application Firewall, and Anti-DDoS Guardian. All right, click on Anti-DDoS Guardian 3.2 to configure it. Click Yes to start Anti-DDoS Guardian. Now this is going to guide you through the basic configuration to be able to fight the common DDoS attacks that you're facing. Anti-DDoS Guardian is really a high-performance anti-DDoS software for Windows servers. It manages network flow and keeps attack traffic out. Anti-DDoS Guardian protection can deal with most DDoS and DOS attacks, including Windows remote desktop, brute force password guessing attacks, syntax attacks, IP flooding, THCP flood, UDP flooding, ICP flooding, HTTP DDoS attacks, etc. You can buy it or download the DDoS Guardian demo from bthink.com. Let's click on the Enable button and then on Anti-DDoS icon to get it started. And then from the General tab, we'll click on Reset All Anti-DDoS Options. Now, we're going to configure it by putting in more appropriate values. Now, option A, we have option 2.1. We're going to enter 5. Option 2.2, we're going to enter 3. 2.3, we're going to enable it. 2.4, we're going to enter 15. 2.5, we're going to enter 10. 2.6, we're going to enable that one. And then 2.7, we'll enter 90. Now then I click on TCP half open, and in option 3.1, I'll type 60. And I'll click on the Client Count tab, and in option 5.1, enter 2000, and click OK to apply the setting. So we've now finished configuring, but there are a few steps and items left before we can complete it. First, we need to record it. So let's click on the Record button, and then update the manager. We need to add the IP list, so we'll click Add. We'll click OK, and click OK again. Now the last thing is to configure the IP. So to do so, we'll click Configure IP, the import IP list by clicking on the Import button, and we'll click OK and select America.htaccess and click Open. Then we'll click on the Set Exception Rules button. Then we'll click Close and then Apply. Now in the Action Taken column, the red signal is blocked by the IP address. And we're done now, and my network is protected against DDoS attacks.